All right, sir, drop it like it's non-breakable.
Oh wait, there's a microphone.
Oh. Hello, friends. Welcome to another video of, I'm going to say it correctly this time, Stash or Trash.
Wait, Deb.
No. Today we have another box for you for our Stash or Trash Declutter With Me series. If you saw last time, me and Violet stashed and stashed, essentially. She didn't want to get rid of anything. So basically, if you're new here, this series is all about us trying to unpack all of our moving stuff. A lot of these boxes are just doom boxes. This particular one is actually not a doom box, but it's one that definitely needs to be gone through and decluttered, because I, in the past, have been a very big shoe collector.
So what's in the box?
Shoes.
Oh my god. Shoes.
I've been big into shoes for a very long time, but as we all know, I go nowhere. So it is time to
Crack it open?
crack it open. Oh, that's gonna sound really nice on that. Box ASMR.
All right. I need a knife.
Did you take your box cutter home?
Oh wait, hold on.
PJ, that's not how you hold scissors, PJ!
There you go.
Thank you. For
Safety
the kids,
first.
PJ.
All right, let's get some box opening ASMR.
That was like nails on a cardboard chalkboard. Oh. God, the opposite
Nice.
of satisfying.
Okay, so we got a lot of shoes. This looks like we should maybe assembly line this. So I'll hand them to you. Maybe if you have something that's special, we'll just stash, trash, stash,
Just
trash.
based off of the 3 shoes I see on top, I'm thinking these were like the leftovers. So like I had nicely packed a lot of shoes and then these were what was left. Okay. I love booties and booties, but
These have a nice feel. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is like that, like
I don't
nice
care how it
worn
feels on
in,
the
like
outside.
premium leather.
this is gonna be hard.
Decide before we pull.
We're speed rounding my shoes.
Come on. Let's bring it. I saw it in the last video, and you were like pulling everything out. Be like, no, we got it. Like the ADHD, the stash, the trash, the stash, the trash.
Okay, trash. Also, before we get started, I want to make sure that I reiterate the series is called Stash or Trash, but 90% of the stuff that we trash, we're really donating.
This is all going. I can tell you right now. These specifically are going to go to House of Refuge.
When we say trash, it's actually donate. It's just
Okay.
Stash or Trash was a better name.
Okay.
We will trash.
Okay. Next up.
It's really dirty, but I like them. I'm gonna keep them.
Okay. Stash. Stash. All right.
Stash.
All right. These
Ooh, I have to keep them.
are these your LED shoes?
These are my LED shoes.
So do you remember, what was it, like 2014, 2015, where all of those
I think
people...
they're dead right now.
They're probably dead right now. But they have lights in the soles, and they have like different like
they're
RGB
very
functions
dead.
on them.
Yeah, these were like the biggest hit at Disneyland. Just saying. Probably like dead forever, but we'll stash until I can see if they turn on.
Okay. Next up, we've got
Ooh,
some
these are cute.
bamboo wedges.
I will not, like, wear. Trash.
Okay. Up next. Ooh.
Boo hoo 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 tease. Ooh, these are cute. We will stash.
Awesome. These are going to me. Thank
Stash.
you. I need those. Got just.
Oh, these are Jessica Simpsons. These are my only black pumps. They're pretty, like, I don't go anywhere.
They feel like plastic.
They are plastic.
All right.
Trash.
We got some more wedges.
Gotten so much use out of these ones, as we can see. Trash.
Okay.
I love the idea of them. I just know me. You know, I feel
They
like
were so cute. They were so cute. You got a second color that you didn't wear.
this was one of those things where it was like, in theory, I was like, oh, I'll be wearing these cute outfits and like, but then like in reality, it's flip-flops or sneakers.
All right, we got some.
Trash. Oh, these are so cute.
These are very cute.
Trash.
Really?
Where am I? Where? When?
No, I don't need this. Maybe. No, yeah, keep them over there. It's okay. Those might not.
Are you gonna explain why you need them?
Those might look good with the first one.
You just
I'm
you
not
being like,
gonna
I need shoes.
Oh my god.
Do you want me to keep them or not? Hey guys, welcome to
We've got, what are these? Taupe?
What?
Don't give it away.
Oh, yeah.
Color.
Edit that out, PJ.
Okay.
These
All
are
right.
cute.
What are these?
These are just like some nude pumps. They're really like soft inside.
What do clothes pumps look like?
See, where I'm at right now is I'm like, would somebody with a regular like 9-to-5 job get more use than it sitting in my closet?
Yes.
And the answer is yes.
Okay.
So those are going to go.
I've got one teak.
One teak. I don't know where the other one is. It's not in there. I literally remember
it's just
packing it
one
and I was
teak.
like, one teak.
Oh, these are cute.
Those are cute.
These look comfy,
See,
too.
I would actually wear these, so we're gonna keep them. And they're like a really cool, like they've got like really cool sparkle going on in them. I'm gonna keep those because those I will actually wear.
They're cute and comfy. All right, we got some Hot Topic.
Those are so cute too.
What are these called? Slides?
These are flats.
Flats.
Slides are the ones that are like a sandal with this over top.
Okay.
If that makes any sense at all.
It does.
These are really cute. I want to for like October, November when they'll get any use.
All right. Some more flats with added comfort.
Ooh, added comfort. I will not wear this color. Okay. That color is not. If you could tell too, like these need to be just black, you know? Like who am I kidding? These were definitely my mom's. I could immediately tell with this.
What was it, the JCPenney red?
I don't know.
Away?
The only color. Sorry, Mom.
No, that wasn't a dig at your mom. It was just that red reminds me of department store, like red lipstick.
No, my mom has a color. That's her
Oh, okay.
color. Keep.
Ooh,
Sandals are definitely.
But these are thongs, right? Because they go in between your
they're
big toe and your
flip-flop,
little
yeah.
toes. Ooh, these are like, look at this. You could go hiking in these with
No.
style. Look at
Hiking
that.
with style.
Look at this added, like, I mean, that's like a full inch right there. You've got like some grip going on. Like you
For
could,
those trays.
you could really put on like sport mode on with these.
What?
You call it hiking with style. I call it falling.
Yeah, falling with sadness. No.
Okay.
I'm doing much better than I thought. These are old. Again, those look like Charlotte Russe.
So I have a thing,
2010.
and I might be wrong, but anytime that there's studs and they're incredibly tall, Leesha keeps them.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
That's out of spite, isn't it?
No, you know what? It's that I know when I'm walking from the bedroom to the couch, or when I'm walking from the couch to my office.
Yeah. Why not?
Because no, you don't wear those for fun. I'm not going. I don't need that kind of stuff. And so that's kind of just where I'm at.
These look like
That
a bitch to lace.
They are. They've got like.
Does that go up your calf?
Yes, it does. And because of the way that my calves are, it just goes. So it's just like these really sad like.
Now, are those called a gladiator? The ones that have strappies up
No, a gladiator. Yeah, they're not. Gladiator sandals have like a full
Like a
like
spine
leather.
leg.
Yeah, it's not just.
There's something
Lace.
that covers your Achilles tendon so
Yeah.
it doesn't get cut.
Yes.
Yes, they go up really high. I don't think they even make those anymore. Those are a weird, really weird trend.
These are cute.
Those are cute. Taresh.
Okay.
Look at that. I have like a pyramid happening. I'm proud of myself here. Ooh, I remember wearing these to Vegas.
Yeah.
Maybe not. No, those are way too clean to have worn to Vegas. If I had worn them to Vegas, there would be
Maybe you wore it
nothing,
in the Vegas lobby
nothing left.
and then took them off when you went to the hotel.
No, I don't know when I wore these, but I definitely wore some silver ones. Look how clean those are. Those are Vans knockoffs. Fresh. We will keep them. Wow. So practical.
Quite a sneaker.
Seriously. Actually, I have that in the car.
Yeah. I got it for Leisha's birthday. Those actually look pretty worn.
The bottoms don't, though. They're just dirty. I don't know. More Taresh.
Okay. Ready?
These look busted. There you go. There's the Vegas shoe. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Okay. Ooh, those are really cute.
Oh, it's weird. They're super tall with studs on them.
Those are super cute. I won't.
Go ahead, put them over here.
One pair.
No, not one pair.
They're really
Well, it's just one pair right now. Well, you have two. You have two tall pairs.
What's my? Oh, that's not my choice though. That's your choice.
No, that was keeping.
That's it.
That's it.
Wow. Okay, that was. Oh, my tower fell. That was actually.
Pretty painless.
Yes, and I'm proud of myself because
This is really good.
I'm being practical, but also have like the sprinkled in.
You should
that
still-
one day that I go to.
You still deserve to treat yourself if you ever want to go out, and you should have.
Well, and I
choices
would buy
when you
new
do
shoes.
That.
That's the
cool.
thing.
All right.
Let's be
All
real.
right, all right.
An excuse to buy new shoes. Okay, so pretty happy with how this box went in the sense that we have like an entire pile to donate, and then still kept some fun ones, but also have more practical stuff, which is nice because I've been like living out of my one pair of sneakers that really need to be replaced and like a pair of flip-flops that hurt my feet. So I'm actually kind of glad that we went through this because those sandals look really comfortable and they look, like you said,
They do, and the thing is
Durable.
that we downsized. When we
Yes.
moved into the other house, I never got any part of the walk-in closet.
you had one suit in there.
I had to get dressers for my own clothes.
For your, like, to make you feel better, I couldn't even get into that closet half the time because there was no floor. So, we're learning. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out, and wow, it disappeared. Thank you guys for hanging out with us for this episode of Stash or Trash. We will see you next time for a Paul-oriented Dune box.